Hey, welcome back to my channel. Today, I want to show you 10 small, medium-sized art channels on YouTube. I think you can learn a lot from those channels, and it doesn't discourage you, it doesn't intimidate you, because sometimes when I look at Vlog Happy the Artist, and I was like, you know what, I was never able to arrive at this level of success in 20 years or even in my entire life, because also they are growing, they are getting the traction, the traffic, and their growth is even bigger because of the algorithm preferences by large platforms like YouTube, Instagram, and sometimes I feel like there isn't any light in the end of the tunnel and I will never arrive at 10K. But by looking at those art channels, I feel it is possible. By doing what they did right and learning from their mistakes, I think I will be able to grow into 5K in the end of this year and 10K maybe by the mid 2021. And it encourages me to keep working on my channel. And hopefully I can make you feel this way too by showing you those art channels. Without further ado, let's get into it. Number 1, Vinnie's Doodle World, 3.7K. She's a self-taught doodle artist from India. She joined YouTube in 2011. Number 2, Shelley Studio, 3.73K. Margel Shelley is a painter, illustrator based in Utah. She joined YouTube in 2015. Number 3, Enon de Belen, 5.69K. Enon makes beautiful watercolor paintings. She's an artist from the Philippines, joined YouTube in 2006. She has a larger Instagram account with over 13,000 following, so I think her YouTube channel is going to take off one day or another. Number 4, Shirley Peters, 6.37K. She's an Australian artist, art school graduate. She went to art school in the 70s, so I guess she's actually my mom's age. She started her YouTube channel in 2006. She showed us that no matter how old you are, you can take advantage of social media and get your art out there. Number 5, Mithrilda, 7.83. Mithril is an artist YouTuber from United States. She joined YouTube in 2013. I really like her audio quality, and maybe that's why her YouTube channel user URL is Mithril Audio. Her voice is so uplifting, and I think she definitely has a vocal talent as well. Amey Design Space, 8.02K. Amey is a designer, paper crafter living in Wisconsin. Her last upload was a year ago, and I can see that she was not very active recently. So I headed over to her Instagram account just to check if she's okay. Her last post was just 3 months ago, so I hope she's doing well right now, and I think she's just taking a break from social media. Number 7, Eric Merced, 8.25K. He is an illustrator, comic artist from the United States. He joined YouTube in 2006. And by the way, he's the only male artist on this list. It was not intentional, I promise. It's just a coincidence. Number 8, Peggy Dean. She's an illustrator from United States, joined YouTube in 2016. She doesn't upload very often. I wasn't sure how her channel grows so big, so fast. I checked her Instagram and guess what? She has 191K followers. Having a large Instagram account obviously could help, but it doesn't always translate into a YouTube following. Number 9, Calligraphy by Mukta, 10.3K. She's a calligrapher from India, joined YouTube in 2018. And she has a main channel called Trims and Tassels, has over 131K subscribers on YouTube. That's very impressive, and I guess that's why her channel, just 2 years old, could grow so fast. Number 10, Andy Arts. She's a manga artist from Brazil, joined YouTube in 2016. She has a good engagement, many likes and comments. For example, the last video she made has 677 views, but 49 comments. This proportion is very high, considerably compared to other YouTubers at her size. So I can see that she's very engaging, and I'm sure she will grow way faster than other channels. As you can see, those 10 artists are from different parts of the world. They make different kinds of art and they belong to different age groups and they have a very diverse background, lifestyle, and they are all able to achieve 3 to 10K, and they have, of course, their shortcomings and their strengths. You can learn from them to start your channel and grow as well. So thank you very much for watching. If you liked this video, make sure you click like. If you do not like, you can also click dislike if that is fine. All right, so thank you very much and see you in the next video.